you're going to bring an ice pack out here, and it's that ice pack that you made, the gel pack.
Right.
Right? Because I want to show the viewers what it looks like this morning, because now you've left it in the freezer all night. Okay, bring that. All right, do you have that ice pack for me?
Yes, here it is.
You had it in the
freezer.
In the freezer. See this here? This was made out of rubbing alcohol and water. 3-to-1 water and 1 part rubbing alcohol. So you put a 1/4 cup, let's say,
of alcohol,
3/4 cups of water. You mix that up, you put it in a little Ziploc freezer bag, and now it's gelled up, and it gets a little hard on there, but you can just kind of push it around. Now there's my gel pack. Wow. Now this is going to melt too, a little bit quicker than a gel pack, but then you just throw it in the freezer again. And
you can make several and have them at the ready. Yeah,
exactly. You can mix this up bigger, and you can have 3 or 4 of these gel packs in your freezer. So when you put one on, when this melts, it's still going to be really super cold even after it melts. But then you can have another one or whatever. Okay, so now that feels really good there. Okay, how long should I keep that on?
Well, generally with a bruise, of course this is a fresh bruise, a fresh trauma, you would do, first you do the cold, and then you do the heat, cold, heat, and then with the cold.
But like,
and that's going to take a bruise right off of anywhere, of your elbow, because I had it happen.
Okay.
And I had, I bumped into a wall. I was playing, and I had a huge bruise on my elbow. So.
Okay, how long in between hot, cold, hot, cold?
Well, until this kind of melts, and then you apply the heat, and then you go to the cold.
Okay.
Back and forth. We should have made 2 of these. Then you would have had one.
Well, and then I could pour more hot water in here. Let's say, not boiling hot, but. Okay, so you're saying maybe 5 minutes on here, 10 minutes, and then dump it back into the water.
Heat, yeah. And if it's, so you had trauma, say it's like 2, 3, 4 days old, and a huge bruise has appeared, you're like black and blue, and then you can apply this method, starting with the cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, and it will, in my case, it just took the bruise right off. I was amazed.
Yeah.
And how fast that process works.
And you know what? I pride myself in keeping my fingernails clean, but if you've been watching my videos, you know why my fingernails might be kind of brown right now, huh? Because I've been taking nasty, old, mastic, black tar stuff off of her floors, and we sealed them the other day, and it looks like stained floors. And I'm going to put another coat on there this morning with the sealer. I got 1 coat of sealer on there. How does that look, by the way? Do you like it?
Fantastic.
Looks good, huh? Yeah, you didn't like carpet. You wanted to be grounded back to the earth, back to nature, so to speak. So plus that's why you wanted concrete floors.
Plus it's cleaner. If you track in, you can just sweep it out with carpet. You could vacuum all day long and not get all of it off, and over time that's just going to build up and build up. It's
just a little harder surface, but it's not that bad, and especially in the summer, I can see that really keeping your house cool. However, in the winter, what are you going to do if you think you're going to have to run your heater a little bit more often during the winter, or put some throw rugs down, wear some socks, put your slippers on,
all the above,
shuffle around. I think it's gonna be fine. See, this gel pack, after a few minutes, it's already starting to melt, but that's okay. It's really doing its job, and it's still nice and cold. Right there, and that's where it's going to sit for the next few minutes. Nice. Hey, did you make this too?
Yes, I did, Joe.
That's pretty cool. You going to sell these on your channel too?
I'm not sure.
I'd buy one. This looks pretty hot. Pretty nice. I don't know. I'm not really inclined to be liking pink or anything, but maybe I can talk you into making a different color for me or something.
A blue plaid.
Yeah. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.